Hello to me YouTube brothers and sisters, good afternoon to each everyone you they watch the video. May God bless you. So they see this project Dodo Road. This now the project where they go inside the community. Yeah, as they watch this video, don't forget for like, comment and subscribe. You will see plenty thing inside this video. Now this now the project where they go inside this Dodo. Yeah, because they are not a village, they are not a community. So I don't develop and still they develop. So more take a look, more go on, more walk along the street, along the drive, more see differences inside this video. So now they enter na the drive. Yeah, now I walk yesterday, but so like you know the guy now make it they see all the obstacle here. Yeah, so now they tell you say this nobody not for enter it until in dry. Now I'm gonna go up and see. So this now the project inside Dodo community. You they watch the video, not forget for like, comment, subscribe, and me they talk to now we they do the project. This work now we they do ya. So if you need we check we na YouTube. Information they all day inside the YouTube. Everything about we is inside YouTube. So this now the project we they do inside Dodo community. So more take a look how the drive look like. All this empty side get for big concrete. Yeah, but no say project now step by step. So now up I they go now. Must see differences. Take a look how the drive they and how it look like. You they watch this video, don't forget always like, comment and subscribe. Many things they inside the video we foresee. Now I'm gonna take a look. This now the drive they see. And this not to anybody maker. Now we self maker. Me they talk to you with my boss, Mr. Mohammed. Now my boss now we make this drive. And still the projects they go on. This not the work. Then inside my community, and this now the drive. Oh, the drive for develop inside Dodo. Take a look. You they watch the video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe. You will see many things, and also said they see all this thing they are packed. So now concrete yesterday, you know the guy it now you make us get back then, so like us you know we enter and mass the concrete. So this not the place. This is now the drive inside Dodo community. You they watch the video, don't forget like, comment, subscribe. Many things they inside here we foresee. So this now the drive I drive this and I don side this also comot, and I do the community field like this. This na the dodo community bar. Yeah, so all thing dey inside our community. Take a look. This na the bar they see, so yeah, this na the field. Yeah, this na our community. So see how dodo they develop. Take a look. You get for see more. You get for see different buildings inside dodo community. So take a look. Take a look. So this now the dodo field. So this now the drive or the build up, and a car at the car up. More see more thing there inside this video. I still continue for climb up and see how this drive look like, and you get for see how the community they develop. You they watch the video, don't forget always like, comment, subscribe. You will see plenty thing inside the video. The development of the community, you will see inside the video. Take a look. All this naked side will not get concrete, you get forget concrete, but just wait a moment, you will see something. So more take a look. Now I'm gonna walk along this drive. This now the drive this. The side will not get the concrete, but soon you will get concrete. Yeah, so take a look. You they watch this video, don't forget always like, comment, subscribe. Many things they foresee inside the video, and you will learn more things inside this video. This is not the drive. You they watch this video, don't forget always like, comment, subscribe. You will see different things inside the video. Now we can take a look how community look like. This now the drive. So now I'm gonna just take a look inside our community, how it look like. This now community also. This now the drive. Yeah, still continue the video. Me fambulen, take a look. This now the drive. Oh, they develop inside Dodo community. Yeah, the community you get for see more. You get for see more community, how it look like. Yeah. This hill where they see na Fogbo, we call it Fogbo after Ogo Farm. This hill called Le Fogbo. Yeah, so from there now this blue zinc the inside our community. So take a look. All this potty they see. This na potty. This side na Fogbo after Ogo Farm. So this na inside our community now. So there for see different developments inside our community. You dey watch the video, always not forget like, comment and subscribe. You see different things inside the video. Now more take a look, more forward with the video and see level best. See this development now inside Dodo community. So are there for more see this drive. Take a look. You dey watch the video, always like, comment, subscribe. You see different things inside this video. So more take a look. This is not the work of the Dodo community development. We there for join hand for build up community. So this is not the drive. In few minutes, few later time, you will see how be different. So I continue for go on and see more video for una for see inside this Dodo community. So this my development inside Dodo. You dey watch the video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe. You go learn many things inside this video. Then you go see different developments inside this video. Just take a look and you will see different things inside the video. I can show now different community. This outside there surround the Dodo community. You can see different developments. Now more take a look inside the same community outside there. As you see this development inside our community. Take a look. Inside our community at the now and see different developments. Now watch the video and we will learn more and more things inside this video. You dey watch this video, don't forget always like, comment, subscribe. You will see different now this video. This is not the drive or the maintain. As you see New Jersey Hill, this is New Jersey. This hill, New Jersey they see. Yeah. So now I'm gonna end and see the road in development now community. Dodo every day and then they develop every day. Dodo they develop. So more just take a look. You they watch this video. Always like, comment, subscribe. More thing they for do and more thing they for see inside the video. So you can see all this surrounding Kailan Côte Barre. As you see, Kailan Côte Barre. This Kailan. Yeah. And this na inside Dodo community. Inside Dodo community. Now you go see more different community inside the video. You they watch this video, always like, comment, subscribe. So this na Kailan de see Kailan Côte Barre now in this. So you see Kailan Côte Barre. And that's this so now. So you see this development inside Dodo. Inside Dodo. This development inside Dodo is the CISO. Inside Dodo, all is the CISO. Yeah, my family, still continue the video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe all the time. You will see more things inside the video. Still there on the process. Still there on the process. Don't forget, as you see different developments at the community, always like, comment, subscribe. This entire building what you see inside Dodo community. Take a look. Take a look inside Dodo community. This over Kailan is the sea. This point, Angola is the sea. This point, so you see this point, Angola is the sea. So yeah. So this is the development inside Dodo community. Yeah. So take a look. So this is the development inside the Dodo community. This is the highway. And then they see all bike man that they pass the main highway. So now the development is inside Dodo community. You they watch the video, don't forget like, comment, subscribe. Say thank you to you all, my YouTubian family, friends. Say God bless all now this wonderful YouTube group. Thank you to you all. Say bye bye to each everyone. I will left with this wonderful video, and you the watcher, don't forget for like, comment and subscribe. You will learn more things inside the video.